Ito pala yung problema.
Jacob Moto.
Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Jacob Moto, by the way. I am currently here in Baybay City. This is the diversion road and we're going home. Well, it's currently 5 p.m. Supposed to be I'm at home right now. For unfortunate reason, my front brake, after changing the oil seal last Saturday, as you have seen in my previous motovlog, developed another problem. The front brake isn't performing as good as it was before. So the stopping power is quite less than it used to be. So I did check it out earlier. Found out
Ito pala yung problema. May oil. Most probably yung oil na kinuha or nilagay, tumagas, nalagyan to ng oil.
there was presence of oil. So what I did was to clean it out. Unfortunately, cleaning the oil out didn't improve the situation. So what I did was head back to Buboy, the one who did the oil seal replacement. So he dismantled the front brake and found out there was oil inside. So he washed it and cleaned it out. And thankfully, brake is performing a lot better. So the culprit behind the problem of the front brake is the oil. With regards to the last motovlog wherein I was testing out the speed wobble or death wobble or whatever wobble you may want to call it. This is an intersection, so we are crossing on a highway, so we should be the one stopping. The area right there is notorious for accidents because some drivers are neglecting the fact that there are oncoming traffic left and right. Well, going back to the speed wobble wherein I was testing it out in my previous motovlog. If you can see, I don't have any speed wobble in my handlebar. So previously, way back 2016, the tire combination of my motorcycle is Exacto at the back and in front was the stock IRC, but the front is quite worn out while the rear tire isn't. So the result of that is I am experiencing speed wobbles when I hit around 60 going down. So around 70, 80, well, I don't experience wobbles with that speed, but when the speed hits around 60, 50, 40, then by that time I am experiencing speed wobble. So may dalawang nag-comment, they have said that it is the tire, the front tire, the culprit. So one suggested that if you have a top box, what you do is use a 90-80 front tire. The size of the front tire should be 90-80 to counteract the wobble that the top box creates. Well, the other one, it's because the tire is already worn out. So speed wobbles can be fixed if you change your front tire, especially if your front tire is already worn out. So kung manipis na yung mukha, stay yung gulong. But not all the time. I guess there are also certain situations wherein changing the tire will not fix the wobble. But as far as my experience is concerned, the wobble was created because of the worn out tire in front. So hopefully if you are experiencing wobbles also, then it will be fixed. Brakes. Why am I very meticulous when it comes to front brakes? So I had it fixed earlier. Majority of your stopping power is generated by your front brake. I mean, personally, if you ask me how I brake, I think 80 to 90% of the time I only use my front brake. Although there are some situations where I had to use the rear brake because front brake will not suffice. But 70% of the stopping power comes from your front brake, if I'm not mistaken. That is why kaya malik ako sa mekaniko so that this front brake problem of mine will be fixed. another thing when it comes to braking is that you have to brake before leaning on a corner. Trying to brake during leaning is already a risky situation or a risky practice or risky thing to do. Once you lean your bike, you should not brake, or if you are skillful enough to use trail braking, then you can do so, but most of us don't know about it. So braking should be done most of the time entering the corner, but not during cornering. Only have 1 bar left, kaya takbong chubby na lang tayo, but we're just 10 kilometers away from home, so malapit na tayo. So we're malapit. Oops, dog. Another thing, braking because of that dog. There are different beliefs when it comes to dogs. Others say that you should not brake anymore. Instead, focus on trying to stabilize your bike in case you hit the dog. Others believe that you have to brake so to avoid hitting the dog. You really can't control once the situation is sudden. One of your reflexes is to slam your brakes. It's easier said than done not to brake because most of the time we have these reflexes. So once we see a dog, we usually slam our brake. Diba? So let's try another speed wobble test. No speed wobble. No. No. Yep, none. Both of my front and rear tire are new. Front is the Pirelli Angel City 70/90. The rear tire is IRC Exato 120/7. So this is just a short moto vlog. So for those asking for a shout out, I'm sorry I haven't really memorized your name because this is just another emergency short ride. Thanks for supporting JCap Moto, and we're almost, by the way, we're almost 1,000 subscribers. We're, I think, 24 subscribers away from getting the 1,000 subscribers. So the giveaway, I'm still hoping for a positive response from the company that I contacted. But in case di talaga positive ang response, then I will have to spend my own money for the giveaway. So don't worry, I will be announcing it later on the upcoming moto vlog. So stay put lang kayo. Don't worry, I'll be giving away something just to show my appreciation to everyone who supports my channel. So thank you. So I think I had to end my moto vlog right here, but before that, I am leaving you with this poem. Roses are red, violets are blue. If you want confidence in riding, make sure your brake works great, bro. So this is your boy, JCap Moto, saying bye-bye.